Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I want to show you something that I learned about yesterday. Mike Ladd over at SDR Play, who does a bunch of videos, instructional videos on SDRuno. He also provides support to all of the SDR Play products. Did a short video yesterday, I believe, and here's a link to it right here. This is the SDR Play Facebook page, which is if you've got SDR Play products or you're interested in finding out about them, this is a great place to go. Anyway, he posted down here yesterday at 9:30 in the morning that he has made some memory banks that are used in SDRuno for scanning or direct tuning your SDR Play device. And he's made a couple of them, which I will show you in a minute. Here is the link, though, to his YouTube channel. And I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to play just a few seconds, and then I'll stop that. Oh, that's his channel. Okay, that's his channel, and then that's the SDR Play channel. And right here is the video I'm talking about, that he talks about these
support staff here at SDR Play.
These lists that he made, and he's made about 5 or 6 of them. Different categories like WeFax frequencies, marine frequencies, and so on. And if I go back here, if I haven't lost it, under that video, right here, down here, he lists the websites where you can download a zip file that has these 5 or 6 memory bank files that you can load directly into SDRuno and then use them. All right, now let's go back. So in this group, there's several things you can do, and one of them is files. And here's where some other people have uploaded their files, which you can download. And I just, for grins, I took my 49-meter international broadcast memory bank that I, with the help of one of my subscribers, extracted the entries from the huge EIBI database for 49 meters, and I think I was a little above, a little below the 49-meter band, and I uploaded it. So that's available, so you can download it, and it's a direct file. In this case, it's not a zip file. It's just a direct file that you can load into SDR Play. So let's see if I can run SDR Play without crashing here. And like I said, you can go to SDR Play. Let me go back to this Facebook page, and you can find that entry. And there's my comment to him. So that's the path. You go to SDR Play on Facebook, you join the group, you come down here, and it's one of the most recent posts, and then you follow the links to SDR Play's YouTube channel, and then his video, which has the link to the files. Okay? That should have confused you. Okay, I'm going to shut this down, and now I'm going to load SDRuno. And so I will come over here and right-click on the memory bank and open bank. Now this is now pointing to my whole download file right here. This is Mike's call sign. This is where his files are. So these are the files that he has created and made available for download. And like I say, it has AirInc frequencies, broadcast frequencies, the EIBI database, marine frequencies, miscellaneous frequencies, medium wave, I'm not sure what that is, utility frequencies, Volmet, and WeFax. So for instance, let's load utility frequency. So I'll open that, and there is what he set up for utility frequencies. And this has got various things. It's got HF global communication frequencies. It's got UVB-76 frequencies. I'm not familiar with that. It's got 4XZ. I'm not familiar with that. It's got custom over the horizon, COTEN frequencies. So this is all set up for you. So you just download these files, load them in your memory bank, and start using them. So I just want to show you that, and I think by doing this also, he pointed out to me that, hey, this is a great place to share these files. I've been trying to figure out a way of doing that, and some of these files can get a little big. Let me close this and go back to here again, that website again. This is the SDR Play Facebook page, and once you become a member of this page by clicking the join, then you can get to these files and videos, and you can upload files and videos. So that will be a great way to exchange these files that you've created that other people can use. Like I said, I created that 49 meter and the 31 meter memory banks with the help of one of my subscribers. We took the EIBI database, which has duplicate entries for each program that's on a particular frequency, and we deleted all those duplicates so you can use that now to scan. And I did a demonstration of that. That works out quite well. We are looking forward to this new software that they showed at the Hamfest in Dayton, with using 2 of the antenna ports to do some diversity reception. And I'll have to get into that later, what that is, but basically improves the idea. It will improve your signal when you have a lot of noise or stuff like that. Okay, that's it. Check this out. Again, thanks for Mike for doing this and showing me this is a great place to deposit files. Let me just show you real quick. Files. Okay, here you upload a file, and I'm showing you this because there is a maximum of 100 megabytes. The file can't be greater than 100 megabytes. Well, these these SDRuno files are typically much smaller than that, so that's not a problem. I don't know. Let's see. Go back here real quick. No, I don't want to go there. I want to go here. Nope. I'm sorry. Stand by. I'm losing my mind this morning. Okay, I could go here, and I could go Open Bank, and here's his files. And what I wanted to do is show you the size. So here is one that he's got labeled EIBI. I don't know if that's the entire file or not. It's only 577K. Let's see. Let's open it. We'll find out. And it looks like it's, I'm looking here closely. Let me go up to this. This is the, it looks like it's the entire database because it starts way down in frequency. Yeah, this is it looks like it's the entire thing because it does have the duplicates, which with the help of one of my subscribers, we got rid of all these duplicate entries. See all these duplicate entries? And that's because if you go over here, they're showing you, oops, I always struggle with this. Okay, where is it? There it is. It shows you the times that a given program is on a given station. So there's a lot of duplicates because of that. And when you're trying to do what I'm doing is use this database for scanning, you want to get rid of all these duplicates because it really, really slows down the scan because it has to hit each one of these in a scan instead of just the one entry. So this particular file that Mike has is the full EIB database, I believe. That's what it looks like. But even then, my point was, it's not a big file, even though it's got thousands of entries. Okay, that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day, even though in some parts of the country, the weather's not so good. Bye-bye.